Sorry. I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything wrong. I'm gonna miss my. And then the next flight they said I had a smart thing, so I'm gonna miss my $500 ticket. So I can't. I'm not getting off this flight. I'm even bachelor's. Oh, you wanna fucking tape me? Make this viral, bitches? That's my colleague. That's my brother. I know my mom will be so upset. She really saw this. I didn't do anything. What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? Yo, someone make this viral. Don't make this viral, make it viral. What the fuck did I do? I called someone old because they were? Alright, I'll get my bag. I'll take my fucking shit. Fuck all y'all. My mom's gonna be so proud of me tomorrow. I don't give a fuck. I didn't do anything. I sat down in my seat. And I asked to go somewhere else because they were being cunts. But I get kicked off. Okay. Alright. Tape this. Who's taping this? Who's taping this? Fuck all y'all.
No. Ma'am?
Fuck you! To get the fuck... I'm getting off the plane. Don't touch my shit. I'll get off the plane. Get my shit off the fucking under thing.
I need someone to call Broward Sheriff's Department to F3. Please, someone please call Broward Sheriff's to F3.
Oh, because I called someone old. I get kicked off the fucking plane. Bye!
Bye.
Enjoy yourself in Vegas, babies. Vegas, baby, Vegas. I'll be there in an hour.
Not tonight.
It doesn't even